subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has finally launched its new affordable phone under M series globally called Poco M3 with a unique design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M3 supports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a 90.34% screen to body ratio. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.05 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Poco M3 comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with high-res audio technology. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 77.3 by 9.6mm and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M3 has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at $149, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at $169. The smartphone will be available for purchase starting from November 27th in Poco Yellow, Cool Blue and Power Black color options. The Poco M3 is also said to be available at a $20 discount under a special Black Friday sale. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.